Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do it, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the About Phone section, then go to Storage, swipe down and select Format SD card. Tap Format SD card, and after a few seconds it will be formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.